Hi everyone, this is my math cast. It is intended for second grade and my name is Hannah Capernal. So our learning objective is to be able to solve additions with up to 4 addends with totals within 200 with and without 2 compositions of larger units. Before we begin, let's go over some of our vocabulary that we will need. Add, to combine, to put together 2 or more quantities. Sum, or total, the result of adding 2 or more numbers. And decompose, to separate into basic parts. Now that we have went over our vocabulary, we can begin some practice problems. For this first problem, we are asked to solve 5 plus 5 plus 7 equals what? Now, in order to make this problem a little more simple, we can combine some numbers. Now, we wouldn't combine 5 plus 7. We are more likely to combine 5 plus 5 because 5 plus 5 gives us 10. So then we will go ahead and add 10 plus 7, and 10 plus 7 equals 17. Now let's evaluate Josh's and Keith's work. So Josh decided that he would make his problem a little more simple by combining numbers like we did in the previous question. So Josh took 23 and 47, and he knew that 20 plus 40 gave him 60, and he also knew that 3 and 7 gave him 10, and 60 plus another 10 gave him 70. Then on the next line right here, he wrote 70 plus 37 plus 56. Josh then decomposed this 35 into 30 plus 5. What Josh then did is pretty unique. He took the 70 and the 30 to give him 100, the 5 and the 50 to give him 61. So 100 plus 61 gave him 161. Keith did pretty much the same steps that Josh did, but in a different order. So Keith wrote out his problem, 23 plus 35 plus 47 plus 56. He then decided to decompose this 23 into 20 and 3. Then he brings this 3 over to the 47, and he knows that 47 plus 3 will give him this 50 right here. So he writes out the next line, 20 plus 35 plus 50 plus 56. Keith then brings together 20 and 35 to give him 55, and then 50 and 56 to give him 106. Keith does this to make the problem simpler to solve in his head. So then he has 56 plus 106. Keith then decomposes 106 into 5 and 101. So then he will add this 5 to the 50 to give him 60, and then bring this 101 right here to get 60 plus 101, and he will get the same as Josh, 161. Now let's solve this third problem together. Melissa bought a dress for $29, a purse for $15, a book for $11, and a hat for $25. How much did Melissa spend? Show your work. So this problem is going to be an addition problem. We will have 29 plus 15 plus 11 plus 25 equals. Now we did that because Melissa spent $29, $15, $11, and $25. So when we are asked how much did Melissa spend, we are combining all of these numbers and adding them together. So what I'm going to start off by doing is decomposing this 11 to get 10 and 1. And then I am going to add this 1 to the 29 to get 30 plus 15 plus 10 plus 25. So I'm going to combine some of my terms. I'm going to combine the 30 and the 10 and the 15 and the 25. So the 30 plus 10 will give us 40, and 15 plus 25 will give us another 40. 40 plus 40 equals 80. Thank you for watching. I hope that this lesson and some of these examples helped you to really practice decomposing and combining like terms to simplify your addition problems.